Hello, how are you guys doing today? My name's Ryan Tulloch. I'm with the president of ProDelta Projects, and this is a quick update on the Foreman reports that we set up through our app, ProDelta DMS Mobile. First thing, I'd really like to thank all the foremen that have been working on this with us since July of 2021. You guys have provided a lot of valuable feedback, and we've definitely done a lot of work to try to make this easier for you guys in the field. A little bit why we're using technology like this to start capturing data. The big thing is you're not just filling out a form, you're actually creating a database. So in the case of any warranty work or claim against the Sweris, we'll be able to quickly search through all the data in here in a queryable database and find out what happened at any specific KP location. So that's the big difference. But anyways, I'm going to hop in and go right through how things work. So we've taken some updates and feedback and we'll be deploying it in January of this year. The first thing you're going to go do is in your project and you're going to hit remove. And all this does, it doesn't delete any data from your device. All it does is it creates a new call out to our server to start bringing in any new data. And that's as simple as it goes. Now that we're in here, we can go in and create new form. But actually, if you hit quick note, this will save you guys a lot of time. So it's going to bring you right in here. So you can select your date, on-site time, 6 a.m., 8:30 p.m. We created this. It's a dynamic list, so link to anybody that's assigned to the project. So we can go, well, let's go use Wayne. Celsius, the negative numbers are now working. 35, sunny. Negative 28, light snow. Comments. Now that you're in the KP, what I actually recommend is start using any text fields where it says enter text is actually to use your microphone. So if we wanted to go like this, 45 plus 400, 45 plus 900. We were doing freeze down that day. Checklist, back. Comments of other. This was a feedback from the foreman. We created this box. So again, you can just use your microphone. Froze down, how to break down with Snowcat. Test of the ProDelta DMS mobile app. So our staff. 3, 5, 0. Summary of in-scope activities. Froze down as per project requirements. No extra work. Number of visitors, 0. Deselect all, back. Plan KP. 45 plus 900. Plus 900. Three, 5, equipment required. Snowcat Honda water pumps. Now that we're in the image, you guys have been doing a really good job of adding images captured throughout the day. The only thing that's been requested is to start putting the KPs in, and it's approximate. Again, you can use your microphone. 45 plus 400. Comments. Photo of the snowcats freezing down. Again, you would add your image and go through the whole process, which you guys already have. The big thing is to capture that. If you have more than one photo, you can just simply repeat, and it'll create a whole new log of photos, 4 being the minimum required by the day. You hit save. So what that does is save it right done, and you're done for the day. Now, there's been some issues with syncing. The big thing is to come in here and go sync. Here it'll tell you the last time you sunk to the database, and as long as that's green and has the time, that's confirmed that you've sunk to the database. Any issues, then we can start working on it. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to myself and or the ProDelta field reps on site. Thanks a lot and have a great day.